Alright guys. Good morning. Alright, this is the video I promised to drop at the group today, right? I promised I'm going to drop a video today, and I'm sorry it's coming late. Now, I made mention of ChatGPT yesterday, right? And I made mention of Flow, and I made mention of Grok, right? Then we also made mention of InShot, right? Okay. Now, first and foremost, I'll be showing you how we can be able to generate a content from ChatGPT, right? Now let's go straight to our browser. Go to your browser, right, inside your phone. Now this is my browser. I'll click on ChatGPT, right? Use ChatGPT. Allow it to load up. If you're using it for the very first time, he will ask you to sign up with your email, right? Simply just sign up with your email, input your date of birth, your age, and every other information that need to be asked, right, for you to flow and sign up on ChatGPT. It is free, and they have the paid version and the free version also. Alright, now let's say we are creating a first scene. We want to create a video, right? We want to use a video to tell a story. Now this is what we are going to be doing. Let's say, for example, I said write me a first scene script, right? First scene script that I can use to run ad for my business. I am into local products. I sell all types of agbo for health purposes, right? For health purposes. Make it engaging. Engaging, right? When anyone looked at it would like to buy from me, right? Okay, now let's see. Okay, now you can see that he has just given me the first scene prompt that I will use for that I'm going to use, right? This is the scene 1, right? Yeah, this is the scene 1. The problem, right? This is the scene 1. This is scene 2. This is scene 3. Right? This is scene 4, right? Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number because he knows me already, right? Now I can say it's too short. I can say make it more engaging, right? Let's make it more engaging. Okay, he has added more content to it. Alright, this is it. Alright, now in this context, what we are going to do right now that we are able to generate our content, we'll be going to Flow, right? We'll be going to Flow. All you need to do is to come over to your browser, right? You will see this this icon here, right? Click on it, right? Now let me cancel all these ones. So that you guys can easily understand what. Oh shit. Let me cancel all these ones so that you guys can easily understand what we are doing. Remember, if you have all this in your phone, remove them, right? I'm trying to clear my browser. Okay, now I'll come over to. Okay, let me open this. My ChatGPT, right? We have our first scene already, right? Let me bring it up. Yes, this is our first scene, right? Okay, now this is our first scene, right? Now you hit on this plus sign here on your phone, then you now type flow, right? You type flow, then allow it to load up. No, you brought me here. I don't want it to bring me here. I want flow.ai, right? Flow.ai, right? You hit on flow.ai. Alright, then it will bring you to, if you have not signed up, it will bring you to where you will sign up with your Gmail and with every other thing that you need to do, right? Then after signing up with your Gmail, it will bring you to this interface where you see new projects. The moment it brought you to this new project, you click on new project, right? Then allow it to load up. It will move you to this direction, right? It says welcome to Google Flow. Please read your screen very carefully. You will see that see what is new. Click on what is new, right? Then look carefully. You will see this arrow that is facing down. One is facing the left hand side, the other one is facing the right hand side. Please click on the one that is facing the right hand side, right? You click again, right? Then you also click again. Now you also click again. This is the fourth time we have clicked it now. Now the arrow is now showing backward. Don't click on it. Click on the down button that is showing get started, right? Click on the button that is showing get started. Click on this get started, right? Then to bring you to your flow dashboard where you can now prompt your flow. Now remember yesterday I was trying to show you guys how you can switch from S1 to S16, right? You guys were somehow confused. Now this is how it works. Now this is my mobile phone. I will now hit on this particular section here where you're seeing this video, right? When you hit on it, to bring you to this section where you see your own might be on the image, right? If it's on image, please click it, take it to video, right? Then your own might be on a 6.9, right? Please take it to 9.16, right? Your own might be at a 2S. Please take it to 1S, right? Please make sure that the way you are seeing mine right now, yours should be like this, right? This is where we stopped yesterday, and this is where we are going to continue from today, right? All right, guys, just follow the step-by-step process that I have shown you. If you're finding it difficult to navigate in all these particular places I've shown you, please try and reach out to me before 4 p.m. Not when the class is about to start. You'll be chatting me, right? Thank you very much. See you guys at the night of success. Bye for now.
That guy was first of all called one day that I wanted the phone. Why? I don't know for him, he was because the class has not started.